Good morning. Unboxing and installation of a pulse width module solar charge controller for solar off-grid system. Automatic 12, 24, 36 and 48 volt. Output function is there display. Parameter we can adjust. Lithium battery user defined. Temperature compensation. Solar charge controller. PWM solar charge controller for solar off-grid system. Off-grid. Do not reverse the polarity of the load, solar panel or battery. Do not be exposed to direct sunlight or heat source. That means we required some shaded area or shaded enclosure, GRB enclosure or some shaded area. Work under dry and ventilated condition with dry load. Please operate according to user's manual. Here solar charge control PWM rated voltage 12, 24, 36, 48. Current 40 ampere. Maximum PV voltage 100 volt. Maximum PV input power 12 volt. We can load up to 520 watt. 24 volt 1040 watt. 36 volt we can load 1560 watt. For 48 watt 2080 watt, that means 2 kilowatt. And here they will give one clear picture diagram. Panel, solar panel input, go inside first 2 point, high efficiency charge and high battery reuse rate, battery positive negative, and power going output stable output we can connected to the load. If the battery voltage 12 volt, we can load 12 volt DC device all. 12 volt DC light, LED light, 12 volt normal light, DC light, 12 volt DC fan, everything we can load. So this is the device, and there is one catalog is there. So after removing solar charge controller, bigger display, buzzer, programming positive and negative switch, and 5 volt pin, this mobile charger pin. Here solar panel positive negative, battery positive negative, and load positive negative. Cable we can insert inside, and back side cooling pin is there, aluminum, black aluminum coated. Anyway, design is some heavy duty